Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring the fantastic Dirac audio experience ported from the Nothing Phone 1 Magisk module to any rooted Android phone. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your audio quality with powerful and customizable settings, then you've come to the right place. This process involves using either Magisk, KernelSU, or even Recovery if you have Magisk installed. So, let's dive right into the installation guide. Install the Dirac audio module. You'll need to download the Dirac audio module. Once you have it, open your Magisk app, KernelSU app, or boot into Recovery if you have Magisk installed, and install the module. If you are a KernelSU user, there's a crucial step you need to take. Open your KernelSU app settings and disable the Unmount modules by default option. After installing the modules and adjusting the KernelSU setting, go ahead and reboot your phone. And that's it, you should now have Dirac Audio successfully installed on your rooted Android phone. You can usually find the Dirac Audio settings in your phone's Settings app under the Audio or Sound section. Remember, all the necessary download links for the Dirac Audio module and the AML module are available in the video description down below, so make sure to check that out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome Android tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've successfully installed Dirac Audio on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.